Jurassic World Aftermath, the hour before and after the asteroid impact intro, dramatic buildup. Imagine standing in a world where giant reptiles rule the land, massive predators stalk the forests, and herds of armored giants shake the ground beneath their feet. This is the late Cretaceous period, around 66 million years ago, the final chapter of the age of the dinosaurs. Life flourishes in every corner of the planet, from the ferocious Tyrannosaurus rex in North America to the towering Titanosaurs in South America. Ecosystems thrive with extraordinary diversity. But in this story, time is running out. A silent killer, millions of kilometers away, races toward Earth. An asteroid nearly 10 kilometers wide. Within hours, everything will change. The world as the dinosaurs know it has only minutes left. This is the story of the final hour before impact, and the devastating 60 minutes after. Part 1. The world before the impact, life in the final hour. The Earth on the morning before the asteroid strikes looks breathtakingly alive. The sun rises over lush plains, swamps, and forests. Triceratops herds graze peacefully, their horns glinting in the light. Pterosaurs glide across the skies, their massive wings casting shadows over the land. Small mammals scurry through the underbrush, unaware that their destiny is about to change forever. Predators like Tyrannosaurus rex patrol their territories, following herds and searching for opportunities. Raptors hunt in coordinated packs, agile and intelligent. In the seas, mosasaurs dominate, ambushing prey with sudden, terrifying power. Giant turtles, ammonites, and sharks populate waters that appear timeless. It is, in many ways, a normal day on a vibrant planet. Nothing hints at the catastrophe that is about to unfold. The invisible threat. But high above the Earth, in the cold vacuum of space, a massive rock travels at nearly 20 kilometers per second. Faster than a bullet, it carries the destructive force of billions of nuclear weapons. For eons, it wandered silently in orbit, unnoticed. Now gravity has locked its path with Earth. Impact is inevitable. The dinosaurs on the ground sense nothing. The skies look normal, the air is calm. No instincts warn them of what is coming. To them, it is just another morning. Part 2. The moment of impact. The arrival, as the asteroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it becomes a blazing fireball. It outshines the sun for a few seconds, lighting up the sky as if a second star had appeared. Animals look up, startled by the sudden glare. The ground trembles. Then, in a fraction of a second, everything changes. The asteroid slams into the shallow seas near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. In that instant, a crater more than 150 kilometers wide is gouged into the Earth. The shockwave travels faster than sound. The first minute after impact. The energy released is almost unimaginable, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. Everything near ground zero is vaporized instantly. Rock, water, and atmosphere ignite. A wall of superheated air radiates outward, flattening forests hundreds of kilometers away. Dinosaurs, plants, and entire ecosystems vanish in seconds. A towering column of molten rock and debris is thrown into space. Some fragments even escape Earth's gravity. Most, however, rain back down as fiery projectiles, heating the atmosphere to lethal levels. Part 3. The first hour after 10 minutes after impact. Around the globe, the Earth begins to respond violently. Earthquakes ripple through continents. Massive tsunamis crash onto distant shores, flooding coastlines thousands of kilometers away. Volcanic activity is triggered across fault lines, adding to the chaos. The sky darkens as ash and debris spread across the atmosphere. Sunlight dims and a fiery rain begins to fall. For dinosaurs far from the impact zone, confusion and terror spread. Herds stampede, predators flee, and once-ordered ecosystems collapse into chaos. 30 minutes after impact by now, wildfires rage across continents. The air grows thick with soot, choking animals and blocking the sun. Herbivores stumble as plants ignite around them. Carnivores, once rulers of the land, struggle to survive in a world rapidly falling apart. In the seas, shockwaves devastate marine life. Coral reefs are shattered, and countless creatures perish as ecosystems collapse. 1 hour after impact, the planet has entered a new phase. The asteroid's energy has unleashed global destruction. Dust and ash begin to form a shroud that will block sunlight for months, even years. Temperatures plummet. Photosynthesis halts. The mighty age of the dinosaurs has effectively ended in less than 60 minutes. The end, see you,